Understanding the phrase, "It's a steal." Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to decode a very interesting English phrase that can be quite confusing for learners. It's a steal. Don't worry, it's not about theft, but about getting a great deal. Let's start by breaking down the words. It's is a contraction of it is, and steal literally means to take something that doesn't belong to you. But in our phrase, steal has a metaphorical meaning. In a figurative sense, when someone says, "It's a steal," they mean that the deal is so good it's almost like you're getting it for nothing. It's often used when talking about a price that is unexpectedly low for the value you're getting. Let's see how it's used in everyday conversation. Imagine you're shopping and find a high-quality item that's on sale for a very low price. You might tell your friend, "This is only $10. It's a steal." This phrase is very common in English-speaking countries and is used in a positive way. Remember, it's all about context. And using "it's a steal" is a light-hearted way to express a great bargain. And that's a wrap on "It's a Steal." I hope this helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your next English conversation. Keep practicing, and you'll be negotiating deals like a pro in no time. Happy learning!